Welcome to Learn Simply. In this video, you will learn about adjective and types of adjectives. Types of adjective: descriptive adjectives, quantitative adjectives, proper adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, indefinite adjectives, articles, compound adjectives. Descriptive adjective is a word which describes nouns and pronouns. Most of the adjectives belong in this type. These adjectives provide information and attribute to the nouns or pronouns they modify or describe. Descriptive adjectives are also called qualitative adjectives. Example: I have a beautiful dress. The word beautiful is describing an attribute of the dress. He is hungry. The word hungry is providing the information about the subject. Quantitative adjective provides information about the quantity of the nouns or pronouns. This type belongs to the question category of how much and how many. Example: I have 60 balloons. How much? They have 6 branches. How many? Proper adjective are the adjective form of proper nouns. When proper nouns modify or describe other nouns or pronouns, they become proper adjectives. Proper means specific rather than formal or polite. Example: Indian phones are strong. Indian people are hard workers. Demonstrative adjective directly refers to the something or someone. Demonstrative adjectives include words this, that, these, those. A demonstrative pronoun works alone and does not precede a noun. But demonstrative adjective always comes before the word it modifies. Example: that function hall is so gorgeously decorated. That refers a singular noun from the speaker. This phone is mine. This refers to singular noun close to the speaker. Possessive adjective indicates possession or ownership. It suggests the belongingness of something to someone or something. Some of the most used possessive adjectives are my, his, her, our, their, your. Example: my dress has sparkling stars. His video game is best. Interrogative adjective asks a question. An interrogative adjective must be followed by a noun or pronoun. The interrogative adjectives are which, what, whose. These words will not be considered as adjectives if a noun does not follow right after them. Whose also belongs to the possessive adjective type. Example: which car do you use? What is your favorite player? Indefinite adjective describes or modifies a noun unspecific. They provide indefinite or unspecific information about the noun. The common indefinite adjectives are few, many, much, most, all, any, each, every, either, nobody, several, some, etc. Example: I gave some chocolates to him. I want a few days to start again. Articles also modify the nouns. So, articles are also adjectives. Articles determine the specification of nouns. A and an are used to refer an unspecific noun, and the is used to refer a specific noun. Example: an animal is always afraid of man. The cat is afraid of me. A good teacher explains. Compound adjective: when compound nouns combine words modify other nouns, they become a compound adjective. This type of adjective usually combines more than one word into a single lexical unit and modifies a noun. They are often separated by a hyphen or joined together by a quotation mark. Example: I have a broken down chair. I have 7-foot long table. In next video, you will learn about definition of verb and types of verb. For detailed explanation with notes and for other tutorial videos, you can visit our website www.learnsimply.com. You can also connect with us on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. And please let us know your comments in the below section. Please share this video with your friends and family who want to learn English grammar. Thank you for watching.